So I got about 7,000 pounds of crusher run on my Brymar trailer. 2018 F150 with a 3.5 EcoBoost. With the trailer and the weight, it's about 10,000 pounds. So I just wanted to, I'm not gonna really go too hard on it, but this hill up here is about a 6% grade. So I've never really used the truck for what it's meant for. So I'll just go nice and easy. Right at about 3% grade right now. There's our 6% grade. Not really going too hard on it right now. About 45 miles an hour, about 3,000 RPMs. Thinking I'm probably about halfway throttle. Didn't even want to shift down. I could probably make a shift down. I could shift down there, but back down to about a 2% grade. And back on the level.